Good morning, it's Jelly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a quick little flip and lip cup pour on this 20 by 25 canvas. So this is a basic flip cup pour, which is a very easy beginner's pour for anyone to do that's just starting out, and they usually have lovely effects in them. So that's what I'm gonna try and achieve today with some of these paints I have. I am using the Mont studio acrylics, but I think they're now called signature acrylics, and I have mixed them with the pouring medium of, where is it, 70% craft glue and 30% water. So I've got the pouring medium recipe. It's in the drop down box underneath this video, and then so if you're a beginner, go down there. I also have a link underneath to videos for beginners, and also I will try and remember to add my link for sealing your work or varnishing. That I've got several videos in my playlist for sealing and varnishing that lots of people seem to be asking me just lately. This is the silicone that I currently use in these particular cups, and as I said, all quantities and that are in the drop down box. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. It's just, as I said, it's your basic kind of flip cup. So I've got a mixture here of metallic. So this is the Mont. Oh, it's actually a bit thin. Studio Mont metallic silver, that one. And then I've got a custom metallic that I made out of gold, and I added a blob of burnt umber. It's created this sort of like lovely caramel, delicious colour. Looks as though it's good enough to eat, I believe. And then I'm going to add some of the orange, and I will add, where we going here, some of this navy. It's a metallic navy that I made in the same way that I would ordinary. Is the actually it was the silver, and I added phthalo blue, so it gives a nice metallic. So I'll try those, and then I'll go, actually I might add, so I'm adding some sort of weird colour arrangement here. So I'm adding some citrus with the caramelly earthy colours, so I'm not sure whether it'll come out fantastic or just, you've just got to hope for the best, eh? So that's that. Go back to the orange, and I will add some of that sort of caramel again. It might come dark because I've got so much of that, but I'm just hoping that I've got a picture in my head, so I'm hoping that it goes well. Okay, where did I got this little bit of, actually I've got this little bit of, I've got a lot of, it was the white, but I'd actually mix this with Floetrol for another pour. So I'm going to flip this cup. So it's just a basic flip cup. If you're a beginner, you're probably best to do it that way and turn it. And if you're a little bit more confident, you get to go like that. So that's what a little bit more confident means. I just want to thank you guys while I've got you. Thank you so much. I believe I'm up on the 80,000 subscribers. So I am so gobsmacked, little old me, getting to 80,000 subscribers. That's absolutely tremendous, and I thank you guys for it. Thank you so much. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It's absolutely free, and I thank you. So I'm just, yeah, truly happy to get that huge milestone. So yay, come on, 100,000. Not sure if it gets me any, doesn't seem to. I don't know, sometimes you kind of gain more viewers, but you don't gain more subscribers. But it doesn't mean, you know, your count of your views are up sometimes. So some of the subscribers that have got hundreds of thousands or a couple of 100,000 still have low views. So I don't know how that works at all, but that's weird. So I'm going to just burp this out just slowly, so it literally goes underneath the white, and I might hopefully end up with a bit of lacing. I might. Let's just see. Wow, oh, it's going off that way, so it mustn't be too mustn't be level, because it's, but then again the paint is very runny. And I'm gonna lip my cup, so you flip and you lip. Maybe I'll only go through it once at this stage, so I don't want it to go muddy. So it's just taking it nice and slowly, and look at that. The cells that have popped up underneath that white there, here in the metallic navy colour. So just nice and slow, because you don't want to lose all your good bits, which can happen if you kind of tilt really quickly and then you tilt off everything that is good in it. Kind of like those two separation of the colours, that's kind of cool. Let's see if I can slowly, just slowly tilt off some of the paint. So remember, it's your art room, your way, your rules. So just treat it, yeah, just treat it as your time with your therapist, but the paint is the therapist, the actual process actually. Very good, cheap and reasonable therapy. Love this lacing here. This has gone a bit, because I've mixed the orange with that, the orange with the caramel colour. It's kind of gone, well, it is actually caramel. It's not really mud, because it's the caramel that looks that colour. So I'll just put a little bit of white over that, because I want to, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You just try these things. I just want to just take a little bit of a swipe over that white to try and create a little bit of lacing. Just nice and gently. When I put the torch on that, that should lace up. And I want to do the same over here a bit. It should come once I've swiped. Nice lacing, hopefully, because that white has got the Floetrol in it, so you usually get a lot of lacing when you put Floetrol in, more so than actual cells. They're sort of lacy cells. Cells. Let's get this going. And then I will use my doodling stick to doodle through it, just to take away the line, create a nice little, you can do that through your work anywhere really that you want to just create a little bit of interest. Just snake it through. Pretty sure when I add the heat to this, it will go crazy cells, crazy cells. Oh, I like this bit of lacing too. Love that. Well, that looks very kind of geographical. Is that a... I'm trying to think if I would want to swipe that right through with the white because I like this so much. I suppose there's nothing saying I shouldn't. Should I take a photograph of it like that or should I leave it? Oh, go for it, Jilly. Tell me. I heard somebody shouting out there, go for it, Jilly. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to swipe it. I like that. It's very nice. But I just want to go that next step and see what it looks like after I've swiped. Yay. Let's see what I get now. See what I get now. Right, well, it looks really pretty up there. It looks like little champagne cells. This will start to, the paint will absorb into the canvas and then it actually will pop through. Just let me see, as you do, as you know I do. Just let me see, there's a lot of paint on it so it won't really, yeah, I need to leave it for a little while and then come back. Oh, look at those sweet little flower garden I can create along the bottom. It's just wiping in between each balloon kiss because it's falling in and then going back over it, it's kind of taking some of the paint off the canvas, which is what I want at this particular time. But see how much paint's on that. You're not going to get a real good balloon kiss when you've got so much paint. So the best thing to do is just leave it for at least half an hour, 40 minutes, and then come back and try your balloon kissing, and you'll kind of get to know the feel of your paint, what works best for you. But if you're doing that and your paint's all falling in, just keep wiping your balloon. Just thought I'd added some balloon kisses along this bottom edge because I like this lacing here. Maybe if I push that in there so it takes, it's very pretty, very pretty. Let's use a bit of that up there, bit of this colour from down here up in here. Yay, 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 yay. Just a quick one, hope you like it. Just, you know, more art lab experiment to just go that bit further with your basic flip cup. Then you can sort of do things with your balloon that create interest around your canvas. So that's a quick sort of, let me do it a bit better than that. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to allow this paint to sink further into the canvas. Watch out for the end and I'll show you the dried results and what it ended up drying like. So thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, bye for now. Take care, you people. Take care.